And this is what you have brought for your application.
Yes, it's a golden snitch. I bet you didn't know you can make your own golden snitches.
Well, rather looks to me like meatballs and French mustard.
No, it's not meatballs and French mustard. Here, put your gloves on. I'm going to get you to work. So what we're going to do, and what you should do ahead of time, is I made some cake. In this case, I made some spice cake with a little bit of cream vanilla soda. So it would have that butterbeer type of taste with this autumn-y type of, you know, kind of sensation. It's really, really good.
I see.
You take the cake, you bake it, and then once it's baked, you take it out and take it apart and crumble it up. Mix it with half a cup of icing, buttercream icing, and half a cup of softened cream cheese. Now, most people use all icing, and I think that's gross because it's so sweet you can't take it. So I mix it with some cream cheese to make it a little lighter on the. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make some balls.
I see.
So here's your ball maker.
Sounds
the
painful.
magical ball maker. It's magical.
Sounds painful, but
Yeah. So go ahead and scoop out a ball.
seems like an awful lot of work. How do we buy these off a shelf somewhere? No?
Yes, but they would probably cost you like $5 each.
I see. So
Okay.
I scoop.
You want me to scoop it?
I should be able to scoop a ball.
Can you? Okay, well that's a little ball. Make it a little bigger. Yeah. So go ahead and you take it. I'll scoop it into your hand. Go ahead, scoop it into your lovely hand there. So you make your little ball. You can put it right there on the plate. Then you take your ball and you freeze it. Once it's frozen, so you take your stick, stick it into your golden. So what I did was I melted some chocolate candy pieces. Okay, they're golden chocolate candy pieces. Just microwave them real quick. You take your stick and then stick it into one of the frozen balls. That's one of the
With the mustard on the end?
Yes, with the mustard on the end. It does look like mustard now that he says it. There you go. And then you stick that in the freezer again. And then you get these little doohickeys. Doohickeys. Okay, then let's take these out of the way so people can see what you're doing. So then you take your meatball on a stick with the mustard.
And how long does it remain in the freezer?
Just 10 minutes, 15 minutes, just to harden. And then, yeah, I'll help
Swirl
you.
this all around.
Swirl it all around. Go ahead, swirl it. Look at us working together. Oh, don't we work nicely together? There you go. There we go. And you got a nice little swirl decoration on it. And then you just put it on some wax paper and put that in the freezer. And then when you're done, you have your little snitch like this. Now, you need to make wings for your snitch, right?
Right.
So what you do is take the back of a spoon and you do a swoosh. And you do another swoosh on the other side because you need wings on both sides. You take this and you freeze it, and all you do is you use a little bit of the melted chocolate on the side and glue it on. And that's it. Isn't it magical though?
Wonderful.
Isn't it though?
Quite an invention. And this is your finished product?
And that's my finished product. Now the difference between this snitch and this one is that I gilded this with some golden sugar that I made. And all I did was take some sugar, a little bit of sanding sugar. Sanding sugar is a little thicker, or you can take sugar in the raw, and you just mix it with some yellow food coloring, and then you have decorating sugar for your snitches or your cookies or drinks, anything you want.
Very good.
And you don't have to go out and spend $4 for some sugar.
Very nice indeed.
Thank you very much. Since you are the professor of potions, how about we make some potion bottles?
Yes,
for
that's
people to
more
take?
my line.
Yes, I believe so. But this was wonderful. Thank you.
Excellent.
Would you like a snitch for your snack? A snitch for a snack. Oh my gosh! I made him laugh.
Just momentarily.
Just momentarily. You can just bite one of the wings
take
off.
the
of
wing
snitch.
off?
You can.
Or bite one off.
He can bite one of the wings off. There you go. He bit a wing off a snitch.
Remarkably pleasant.
Yes, it is, isn't it?
Seems to have a couple of ears now.
You know, it looks like little elf ears.
Yes.
Or little fairy ears. We'll be doing something with fairies later. It's a little diabolical, but I kind of like it. It's kind of cute too.
I see. Thought this was a family show.
Yes. Oh, okay. We'll be right back with our next craft.